Hi everybody, this is Erica Reyes coming to you from Ashton Woods in Firethorn community. So today I wanted to go ahead and show you a new floor plan called Parker. This here is elevation C. So if you're following my YouTube channel, you'll see that there is another video for a Parker elevation D. So what happened is that I had two buyers go under contract to build out a Parker plan, and almost at the same time. And the beauty of it is that both of them chose different items. So like that, you can really see what it does when you choose certain options. So again, I am very excited to be able to show you this video. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it around so we can start off with the exterior. Okay, so as I was mentioning, this family ended up choosing Parker Elevation C, that is a brick and stone combo. Also, the family ended up adding a third car bay out because they had a home site that was big enough to allow that. So that's a little bit different than the other floor plan or the other Parker. And also here you can see a little bit more of the white brick that they chose on the top, and then also the stone that is on the bottom and then on the entrance as well. And then of course this family decided to go for a light gray trim and then a white field color for the garage. So again, this is what comes with the elevation C. Also, the family here chose not to add the brick, so you'll just get cement at the front porch, something that you can consider. The family did upgrade to the 8-foot doors, but they chose a different color and style. So now, walking in, this is the view from the entrance. You will notice that the stairs in this home compared to the other one is different. This is the updated staircase for this floor plan. Pretty much we added a little bit more of a stairs instead of having that kind of a block here in the front. And here the family chose the dining room instead of the office, which is one of the changes. Also, compared to the other one, here, instead of leaving that open, they chose to add the valet to the garage. And then, as I had mentioned, this family ended up choosing to add a third car bump out. But as you can see, even without that third car bump out, the beauty about this Parker floor plan is that you do get storage area here in the back. But this is what it looks like when you get that third car. And so we're going back inside. Here is the upgraded options that they chose for their cabinets. And also, instead of having the tile in the foyer and then carpet, they chose to upgrade to tile all throughout on the first floor. And to my right, this is here the secondary bedroom with its ensuite bathroom. And for this one, the family ended up choosing to add the shower instead of the tub shower combo, and then updated the tile in the back as well. And then for this particular one, we're gonna fix this for the next elevation C home, because we realized that you don't need to have it that high or have that window in that closet. But we left it for the family since they actually were the first ones ever to build a Parker floor plan. Okay, so just showing you all of this here. The beauty, elegant entrance or staircase that you'll see at the entrance. And then as I was mentioning to you, you have an option of either creating an office here or a dining room. And then when you go to the dining room, or you leave it as a dining room, it gives you a pathway to the kitchen. And I will come back to the kitchen in just a second. And yes, you do see blue tape because we're getting ready to close on this home, but we gotta, clear all the cosmetics that need to be repainted and retouched to make this home beautiful. So here I'm giving you a view of the family room, kitchen, stairs. And now going to the kitchen. Family chose an upgraded quartz countertop. They added gray cabinets on the island, and then the white linen cabinets for the kitchen, outer kitchen. And then they did end up choosing to have the cooktop, upgraded vent hood here with the backsplash all the way up, and then the oven and the microwave being separate. And again, as you see, since you have to have an opening, you tend to lose space in the kitchen to be able to have that dining room. So something to consider for sure. And then here we have, again, your breakfast area that they have added the dining fixture. And then going to the family room, the family ended up choosing the standard fireplace mantle and then a tile that's standard. You can see how pretty it turned out. And then one more thing that I like to point out that's different in this one is the windows. The reason being is that the family actually chose to do the extended covered patio. And when you do that, to be able to add the extension, you have to make those windows a little bit smaller. So here is just showing you how big the extended covered patio is. And I'm going to close this door and wanted to show you what it will look like from the back view. So just give me 1 second. And this is how it looks with the extended cover patio. Okay, now moving on, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the primary bedroom and then go up to the second floor. This is a really, really awesome floor plan. I'm very, very excited for all the families that need the 2 bedrooms down. I mean, this one works out so well. Look at that beautiful tray ceiling on the top. And then again, if you wanted to make this room a little bit bigger, you do have the opportunities for a bay window. And this is just to show you the depth of the room. Now, going into the primary shower. You'll see here the family has upgraded the countertops and then again the cabinets, added hardware. They chose a really pretty but subtle back wall tile. And then here is the tile for the flooring. And they did upgrade, to have this staggered style for it. And of course, again, you have your private commode here. And here is the space for the closet. Okay, so now that we have seen the first floor, I'm gonna go ahead and give you a tour of the second floor. And here you see the upgraded flooring that they chose. Really pretty gray color. And then starting off again, we have the game room loft area. This one, you do have an option of adding a media, and it will take this space here, the attic, but both of the videos that I have created did not have the media, but I did want to make that comment in case you're considering it. And then here, turning to my right, starting off with the linen closet, and then the secondary double sinks, double vanity area, and then for this one they use the standard tile on the back. So you see, both of them, different options, different things to consider for sure. Now again, this is the biggest of the secondary bedrooms for the Parker floor plan. But the beauty of them is that all the rooms have really great size closets. And then here's the one that shows you the front of the home. And you can see the upgrades that the family chose here with this upgraded carpet, the trimming around. Great space here for that closet. And then we have one more to my right. Another bedroom with a great view of the front. Great space, and with another walk-in closet. Now for this one, instead of having to again go to the bathroom that's over there, there's actually a door right here, and this one gets its own bathroom. You can see we're still waiting on the mirror for this one. And you also get one with the linen closet. So a lot of storage throughout, which I'm sure is very much needed if you're going to be using a home with 5 bedrooms, right? All right, well, I hope that you enjoyed this beautiful tour of this Parker Elevation C and the options that have been added to it. If you need more information about either one, how much it would cost, see how it can fit into the budget that you're looking for, make sure that you reach out to me. Bye-bye.